Yeah, $18, 5 gallons. Take y'all on the POV today. We wasn't even on E either. It was like right there. Tank is 17 gallons, so it shouldn't go all the way. What I say, 64? 62. We have to go for a quick little ride. Put some music on. We're gonna share a quick thumbnail for y'all. There go the thumbnail. The weather pretty good today. It's not hot, cold. I don't even know why I got a hoodie on, honestly, at this point.
Even spring.
Yeah, like, it's comfortable out here.
Maybe is that why my allergies?
Oh, because it's fake spring. Probably so.
Still be a funny
Let me know if y'all like the vibes of the video, man. Trying something new. So if you see somebody else do this, just know I did it first. I'm just chill and ride, man. When we take the 335 out, then we'll get loud, maybe, you know. It's relaxation time. It's really a beautiful day outside. I was like, let me record for y'all. Oh, we on our way to the mall. Really out running errands for holidays in general. Last time I put this visor down, but I ain't gonna put it down. I ain't even gonna do y'all like that. But just know I'm sacrificing my eyes. So I better get at least 200 likes on this video. Alright. If I got 200 views, I need 200 likes. Well, I know y'all. Come on. If y'all looking to get a Porsche, look to spend between $60 to $80 on gas. The most I spent on gas in this car is $86, and that's when gas was a little higher than right now. So we good. Like $60 I could do. $60. He back there getting it. What's that noise? It's a French bulldog. If y'all haven't seen my dog, I believe I introduced my dog in the Lamborghini video. So about 3 videos back, I went to a car meet, buku Lamborghinis and stuff. Y'all be fucking with my content. My shit be nice. Y'all just be hating.
They don't be hating, they just don't.
Not all of them. Not all of them. They don't know yet. But it's gonna get better. I'm gonna be more consistent. I'm gonna give y'all what y'all want to see.
You can't call them people out there not even consistent.
Right.
How about you get on your consistency?
All right.
Yeah.
So with that being said, let's do Vlogmas. Fuck it.
Ooh.
I'm gonna do Vlogmas. We're gonna do something every day.
That boy told that boy, I want to see you a little stressed out about YouTube.
I gotta be stressed out.
Yeah, I want to see you.
Fuck it. 2 videos a day. You think I could do, y'all think I could do 2 videos? If I do 2 videos a day, y'all fuck with it? Or would I be wasting my time? I never wasting my time. Cause I do got some supporters out there. I appreciate it, man. I don't care if like there's only, you know, I'm at 1,000 subscribers. That means a lot to me. I appreciate y'all guys for subscribing. I really do. Man, let's keep running it up. The next goal is 10,000. You know, 5,000. You know, the next goal is 5,000. If we could get through Vlogmas and y'all could get my likes up, interaction with my channel, I think we could get to 5,000 before the end of the year. For real, I think I could get to 5,000 before the end of the year. That's easy. Well, y'all gotta do it though. Y'all gotta do it. What y'all want to be called? That's what we gonna do. The Mo Mob, MM, Double M.
Ooh, Double M. Double M's in the chat.
Double M's in the chat down below. Double M gang.
Q.
M&M's. Alright, don't worry about it. Too much. It's a little slight traffic out today. Nice little vibe. The only person going to that mall is what that shit they filmed over there? Walking Dead. If I turn down Pleasant Hill, I think. I don't give a fuck, y'all know where I'm at. I live nowhere around here. Literally. What my boy say? Indianapolis. Y'all almost made me buy a track out. Can't even do it though. I don't know. Think so? The content, that's what it is. I love foreigns, but the content. But I'm M4, you know? M4 good content too though. But we gonna see. We gonna pop out on y'all type. Matter of fact, y'all comment down below what y'all wanna see. Y'all wanna see an M4? These are 3 options. I'm like, yeah, everything gonna get built. So whatever I get, listen, if I get a Trackhawk, it's not gonna be a wrap. It's gonna be a 1200 horsepower. I need y'all to know that. Everything is, you know, y'all know the BMW upgrade, twin, all that going on. But if I get an M4, just know everything gonna be carbon fiber, and we gonna start from scratch. Everything gonna be twin turbo to the max. The other option is an M6.
Yeah.
I'm going crazy with that. That's number 1 option. Number 1 option is the M6. I need y'all to know that. Then we got the M4. That's the second option. And last but not least, the third option is a Trackhawk.
Damn, we got options.
That's the third option. So y'all let me know what y'all think. Okay, the sun not blinding us no more, so that's good. Damn, look at the sky though. That shit crazy. Y'all like the Porsche videos or the BMW?
Tell him if y'all like this footage or the GoPro footage. This is off the phone.
So this is off the phone, right? Let me know if y'all like this better or my old GoPro footage. This is looking a little better.
And this is not even the newest phone. So if you like the phone, let me know because we can get it.
Yeah, for sure.
Since he wants to be a consistent king.
Gotta be consistent. Like they messing with it, like I said, they give me my likes and my comments. I gotta do vlogs. The test is Vlogmas, right?
Yeah, because you gotta be consistent and they gotta interview.
I'ma take them with me and pick up the tree in the truck with the truck. Y'all wanna come with me in the Ram? I know I don't never put the Ram on the channel. Y'all come with me in the Ram. Like don't get it twisted. Y'all got Dodges. I got Dodge too now. I got the big Ram. Stop playing with it. So if y'all want me to put that big motherfucker on here, let me know, man. I got all of it. Y'all want to go off-road in POV?
Ooh.
Yeah, all that. We got options. We got this. Did I ever show them the Ram? In the beginning. They haven't seen it since I built it. Listen, man, my fault. That's why I need to be consistent. If y'all go back on my channel, I have a build truck video, right? I introduced the truck. It was about 2 years ago, maybe. I built the truck. Or we're talking about what I'm gonna do to the truck. The truck was done the next month, and I didn't record nothing. The truck, bro. If I show you the truck, y'all be like, "That's not the same truck." New headlights, taillights, grills, seats, lifted, everything. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do a reveal for the truck. That's gonna be another video for Vlogmas.
So we got about 5 videos pending. So yeah, you better do Vlogmas.
I'm gonna do Vlogmas. I got y'all. But y'all gotta give me 200 likes on these videos. I can't do 14.
Not too much on the 14 too. Yeah.
All right, Miss 10,000 views, 500 likes.
Okay, but I'm saying when my videos get 14 likes, I still appreciate it. See, come over to So Dippy. We appreciate all the likes.
I appreciate them too, but
100, we appreciate
appreciate it, but they don't talk to me, so I don't even know y'all. Y'all got to comment down below, man. Y'all don't even comment. Y'all just be watching. How I'ma know y'all messing with me if y'all ain't commenting?
Tired of your creator always complaining about likes and comments.
Oh man,
come and appreciate all our viewers, even if you just view.
Come to Death Row, Death Rock Records. Yeah, I sign up 360s if y'all want.
Oh.
Y'all be sick.
Oh, all right, not too fucking much. Not too fucking much.
Hey man, but what y'all doing right now? Y'all eating a bowl of cereal? What y'all doing? Y'all sitting on the thing, doing your dub dizzle? Not, come on, dog. I'm talking about the toilet, bro.
Oh.
Not that. You nasty.
Nasty. Why you think about the toilet?
Cause that's what I do when I'm on YouTube.
Oh.
I'm cutting that out.